Good afternoon, everybody. My name is Luca. I'm a business product manager at Microblink. Here with me is Chad, product manager for our BlinkReceipt product from our US-based team. Today, we're excited to show you a product that we believe can have a real impact on your business by providing you access to a relevant new data source that is currently locked away from you because the data is hard to get. Before we get to that, to BlinkReceipt, we want to show you how this product was developed inside our company from scratch. And we will show you through a couple of interesting demos. Now, Microblink is focused on developing solutions that can help you eliminate typing from your mobile applications and replace text input with simple scanning. The first product we built is called PhotoPay, and Chad will now show you how it works. Instead of typing to pay your paper bills, why not just scan them and capture all the data in seconds? Instead of typing, which is slow and error-prone, scanning is fast and easy to use. PhotoPay increased usage for mobile banking apps several times after integration, and we are currently working with over 30 banks across Europe. Now, after solving this problem, we turned to another one. We wanted to optimize processes for onboarding and registration. So instead of typing in your personal data, why not scan your ID? Chad will now show you how this works. It's important to notice that while he's scanning the ID, all the processing is done on device. Data never leaves your application. So everything is super secure and ready for the new regulatory environment that will come. So we support over 150 countries at the moment, and Blink ID is currently used on 6 continents to scan over 1 million of different IDs every week. Now, along with solving these two challenges, the ID scanning and payments, we wanted to create a cool application that could just show to a wide range of people how useful text recognition can be inside mobile apps and how much easier everyday life can be with it. So we created Photomat. Chad will now show you what it is. Photomat lets you scan handwritten mathematical equations and get instant results in seconds, and also step-by-step solutions how to solve them. Photomat currently has over 80 million downloads, and over 15 million people use it every month all over the world. Now the reason, and it also works locally on device, no data sent to the servers. And the reason we wanted to show you Photomat is not just because it's a cool app. It's actually allowed us to move in a completely new direction. With Photomat, we developed a next-generation engine for text recognition with a large amounts of data that we got from our users. So we are now able to recognize even the hard pieces of data that were unimaginable before. Chad will now show you how this new deep OCR engine works in practice. One of the hardest items to scan are retail receipts. They are not structured well, they can be crushed, crumbled up, they fade over time. But as you can see, we can just read the data in real time on mobile device, no data sent to the server, no human labor in backend, and everything just pops up to the screen. And this brings us to the main demo that we want to show you, the BlinkReceipt. Imagine how much value you could get if you understood purchasing habits of your each particular customer, if you knew what they buy when they spend their money. This is what BlinkReceipt does. It's a complete solution that lets you scan receipts in real time in a very easy way. Chad will now show you how it works. He can just scan the receipt, even if it's a longer receipt, just a few images, and when he clicks that Finish button, everything appears immediately on the screen. It's read in seconds on the device. It's not just reading the data. You actually get structured data product names, and everything. And instead of just the results, we're actually added the analytics part. Take a look at the product at the top with this cryptic product name. You can't really know what it is, but when Chad clicks the button for the full info, we actually give you product category, full product name, and all the other information that's not even present on the receipt. Now, if you get this data, you could improve your credit scoring, you could improve your marketing campaign because you would know for each user what works and what doesn't. And you could just provide the best possible solution for personal finance management because it's so easy to use and our other technologies proved that users love it. BlinkReceipt is currently used in US for over millions of scans each month for cashbacks, loyalty programs, and various other industries within retail. And we just now enrich the solution to work in UK and are looking for other markets. With our comprehensive receipt analytics, you can get more value across your retail banking by knowing your customers better. If you want to improve your marketing campaigns, if you want to know your users better, come see us at our booths. We will be happy to show you more about BlinkReceipt and how can you use it tomorrow. Thank you.